These are the last 4 remaining Manuel Antonio ocean view lots in the area. Huge 180 views all the way to Manuel Antonio. Take a look. All the engineering studies have been completed. We have water, electricity, and roads in place, and we even have a team of engineers and architects ready to help you design your home. This home site sits at the very top of the community and has 360 views of everything. You got the forest and the ocean out front. It's absolutely spectacular. Take a look. I'm Casey Stamps with over 30 years experience here in Costa Rica. If you're interested in investing, please contact me today for more information.